Hey, this is Jeana at Art of Skincare, and today I want to talk to you about the Sculplla Pro-Youth System. This is a fantastic system for just getting the most out of your skin, having your skin look really great. This is what my go-to is when I have a photo shoot, a special event, a class reunion, something like that to go to. You bet this is the system that I'm going to be putting on. Now, while any age can use this system, it's really designed, and those who get the most kick out of it are those in their 60s, 70s, and 80s. Those ladies like to use this twice a day, and their skin really shows the difference. They're in love. They're so happy with it. My mother, who's in her 80s, she uses this system every day, and she swears by it. You can actually see her picture often on our website. And right now, it's actually on the Healthy Consultation page where you purchase an online consultation. You can see a picture of her there, and her skin is beautiful. So I'm going to show you how to do this system really quickly because it's really pretty easy. The couple tips you want to know is that you want to make sure that your skin is clean and absolutely dry. If your skin is still oily or it's still wet, the products don't penetrate as well and you don't get as much action out of them. Now, you can cleanse your skin, you can use a toner, you can use any water-based serum underneath this system. A water-based serum is a serum that has water as the first ingredient. So you can use a vitamin C serum in the morning. You can use a retinol serum at night. But with that retinol serum, you want to make sure that water is the first ingredient on there. You want a water-based serum to go underneath this system. So in the morning, I'm going to grab my Caviplla first. Caviplla is the serum. Now my bottle's purple, the new bottles are silver, so you probably have a silver bottle. In the morning, I'm going to use 2 pumps. In the evening, I'm going to use like 4 pumps of this product. Now mine is getting down to the last little bit. If you tip it when you're getting down to the end, it helps. So here we go. I'm going to apply this to my skin nice and gently. Now, what you'll see as I've applied it is I start to get a little bit of a whiteness on there. That's the foaming action. That helps to drive the product into your skin. If you're not seeing that action after the first couple times you've used it, that often means that you're just not getting your skin degreased and it's not dry. So you might want to look into a better cleanser or a nice exfoliating toner. Need to get a little more exfoliation going on. So I'm going to make sure I get on my lips, my face. I would normally go all the way down my chest. The area you don't want to get that Caviplla is right up here, and I always do. But you don't want to get it too far up underneath your eyes, because if you do that, you're going to get plump, juicy under eyes, and that can mean puffy under eyes. So you can get this area out here where you have the crow's feet going on, but try to keep it from right underneath the eyes. Step 2 is to grab your Promoter Repair Cream. This one, you only need a tiny bit. So I'm going to reach in here, get a little bit. You can see it's kind of a stringy product. There we go. I'm going to take this and I'm just going to apply this to my face and down onto my neck. And of course, I would bring it down onto my chest. So there, now I have my serum on and my moisturizer on. Feels wonderful. My skin has this really nice coating on it that makes it feel very protected and very soft and smooth. The next step in this system is to grab your sun cushion. Sun cushion is a sun protector as well as a little bit of makeup in it. Many people who use this find they don't have to use foundation. So when you open up your sun cushion, here's your little applicator pad. There's a shelf that you can keep your applicator pad on, and then here's the makeup. Now, when you look at that makeup, it looks like it's going to be plenty dark enough for me, maybe even a little too dark. But guess what? It's not as dark as it looks in here. It's actually very light. So this is good for a light, fair, light, medium light skin tone. If you're tan or you are dark complected, this is not going to work for you. It's going to be too white. The natural sun blockers in there, that zinc, titanium, you can see when I put it on, it looks a little bit white. It even looks a little ghosty on me when I'm first putting it on. But if you give it a few minutes and you set it with the Sculplla Mist, then that white part, that ghosty part, goes away, and it just does a color balance and completely blends into your skin. Leaves you with a really radiant, beautiful finish. Now, I have some dark spots on my cheekbones that I'm working on, so I'm going to make sure and get extra coverage on those so that I have extra protection. Now I've got that on, I'm going to grab the Sculplla mist. Sometimes people ask me if they could use some other mist to set this. You can, but you're not going to get the same results as you get with the Sculplla mist. The Sculplla mist really goes in, plumps the skin, minimizes lines, minimizes pores. You can use it after any makeup and it will do that same thing. So now I'm just going to set, has a nice light scent. Come in, do a little depotement. And my skin is done. It's ready to go. I can just add some mascara. I can add a little blush and lipstick, and I'm good to go for the day. So that, my friends, is the Sculplla Pro-Youth System. Very simple. There you go. That's what it is. We've got 4 products. Use them morning and night, and your skin will look absolutely beautiful.